A living room can still feel flat or uncomfortable even when the furniture looks nice. And most of the time, the problem is the lighting. Maybe your lighting feels too harsh at night, too dark in some corners, or flat and uninviting. So in this video, we're going to break down the simple lighting tricks designers use to make living rooms feel softer, cozier, and more expensive. Stay until the end because small lighting changes can completely transform how your space feels. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Hack number 1, the 3-layer lighting system. If your living room still feels flat at night, the problem is usually the lighting. In the before setup, the whole room depends on one ceiling light, so the space feels harsh and uneven. Because of that, some corners stay dark, the ceiling looks flat, and the details in the room barely stand out. But designers rarely rely on just one light source. Instead, they layer different types of lighting across the room. So here's what you can do. Start with Cove ceiling design with LED lighting around the ceiling perimeter so the ceiling gets a softer glow and added depth. Then add recessed pin lights evenly across the space to brighten dark areas more naturally. Near the seating area, place a floor lamp so the room gets a softer secondary light instead of relying only on overhead lighting. And behind the TV, install LED strip lighting to make the entertainment wall stand out more at night. Once the lighting is layered properly, the whole space feels better at night overall. So instead of using just one ceiling light, try combining different light sources around the room. That small change can completely transform how your living room feels. Hack number 2, floor lamp positioning. If one side of your living room feels dull or unfinished, it usually means the area lacks softer lighting. In the before setup, the floor lamp is positioned too far from the sofa corner, so the seating area still feels disconnected and less defined. But designers often use floor lamps to soften darker corners and complete the furniture composition. So here's what you can do. Instead of relying only on overhead lighting, move your floor lamp closer to the sofa corner instead of placing it too far away from the seating area. The lamp also visually fills the empty vertical space beside the curtains, making the entire corner feel more balanced and intentional. So instead of depending only on ceiling lights, add a light source near your seating area. That's what helps the living room feel inviting. Hack number 3, accent wall lighting. If your textured wall still looks flat, the problem is usually the lighting around it. In the before setup, the marble wall and wood slats are already there, but the lighting doesn't really help the texture stand out. The slat panels look visually flat and the feature wall loses depth even with premium materials. But designers often use accent wall lighting to highlight textures and architectural finishes. So here's what you can do. Instead of relying only on general ceiling lighting, integrate concealed LED lighting around textured walls and fluted wall panels to create an accent lighting effect, helping light spread the textured surfaces. The existing recessed downlights also help enhance the feature wall by adding additional brightness around the feature wall area. This instantly enhances the natural veining of the marble while creating deeper shadows between each vertical slat. So instead of letting textured walls sit under flat lighting, add soft lighting around them to help the details stand out more. Hack number 4, LED strip lighting. If your shelves still feel plain at night, the problem is usually missing LED lighting. In the before setup, the shelves are already visible, but they still feel dark and heavy. The shelves blend into the wall and objects barely stand out, so the entire shelving composition loses depth because there's no lighting separating each layer. But designers often use LED strip light to create softness, depth, and a more premium floating effect. So here's what you can do. Instead of leaving shelves fully dark, install LED lighting underneath the shelves of the tall display cabinet and inside the arched shelving niche. This instantly creates a softer glow around the books, decor pieces, and wood finishes, so it now feels lighter and more dimensional instead of visually flat. The illuminated layers also help separate each shelf section, making the cabinetry look more custom-built and high-end. So instead of leaving shelves completely dark, add LED lighting to create a softer glow around the display areas. That small detail can make the whole living room feel more high-end. Hack number 5. Pendant light sizing. In the before setup, the ceiling design itself already feels more detailed, but the small center light still feels undersized for the scale of the room. Because the fixture is too compact, it visually disappears against the large ceiling surface and doesn't properly stand out as a focal point. Even though the ceiling already has lighting layers, the middle area still feels disconnected from the seating arrangement below. So here's what you can do. Instead of changing the entire ceiling design, simply replace the small center fixture with a properly scaled geometric pendant light that better matches the proportions of the space. This instantly gives the ceiling more presence while still keeping the existing Cove lighting design. The larger pendant also helps connect the sofa area, coffee table zone, and ceiling composition together, so the entire setup feels more intentional. And because the fixture now has a wider shape and darker frame, it stands out properly instead of blending into the ceiling. So if your ceiling already has Cove lighting but still feels lacking, upgrading the size of the center light can make a huge difference without needing to redesign the entire ceiling. Hack number 6. Color temperature. If your living room still feels cold at night, the problem is usually the lighting color. In the before setup, the room uses cool white lighting, so the whole space feels harsher and less relaxing. Even the finishes lose warmth because the white lighting creates a colder atmosphere. But designers usually prefer warm white lighting in living rooms because it creates a softer and more comfortable atmosphere. So here's what you can do. Instead of using cool white lighting, switch to warm white lighting. In the after setup, warm lighting was introduced through the Cove lighting, recessed ceiling lights, accent lighting, and pendant fixture. This instantly softens the overall mood of the space while making the room feel more welcoming and luxurious. The wood slat panels now appear richer and deeper. The marble wall feels warmer and more dramatic, and the neutral furniture gains a more natural and comfortable look. Once warm lighting is used throughout the room, the whole space instantly feels softer and more relaxing. So instead of using harsh, cool white lighting, switch to warm white tones to make your living room feel more cozy and welcoming. So if you want your living room to feel more relaxing and professionally designed, don't focus only on the furniture. Lighting is what gives the room warmth, depth, and atmosphere. And once you understand how layering, placement, and color temperature work together, even a simple living room can instantly feel softer, cozier, and more high-end. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.